Hi everyone. This is going to be a pretty short video. There's not much to talk about this week in our Fundamentals of College Writing class. This is week 8. In week 8, we are going to do our second instructor conference, and you are also going to create a word cloud. So first of all is task 8.1, which is the instructor conference. I would go ahead and double check your time, make sure that you have it written down somewhere, or that your phone's going to send you a notification, something like that. You wouldn't want to forget about this. It would have a pretty negative impact on your grade. And also, so when your time comes around, you can just call me. I've included my Google Voice number on the sign up sheet. If you would prefer to do a video chat, that's completely fine. Just let me know. If you don't contact me and let me know that you would prefer a video chat, I'll just assume that you want to do a regular phone call. And remember that you want to be prepared for these conferences. They should last for about 10 minutes, and you should really come prepared with about 3 questions to ask. A little bit, there are some more details under week 7 that talk you through kind of how you can be prepared for the conference and what to expect. So I would recommend taking a look at those things before it comes time for your conference. The only other thing you'll be doing this week is your discussion board post. So task 8.2, you are going to make a post to the discussion board. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the contents of Writing Project 2 into this word cloud generator. So actually, let me go ahead and pull that up here. So what you'll do when you are done writing Project 2, or close to being done, you'll copy and paste everything that you wrote in that draft into this box here, and then you'll click Generate. And that'll create a word cloud. And actually, I think I copied something that I wrote earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that into this, and then click Generate. And you'll kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this is from a paper that I wrote a couple years ago. And what this word cloud generator does is it takes the words that come up the most in your writing and creates this sort of cloud, this visual representation here. And the words that occur the most often are the largest. So in my case, the word street occurred the most throughout this paper, and so that's why it's the largest and most central word here. So you'll be doing that with your own paper for Writing Project 2. Once you have done that, you don't need to save the word cloud, but if you'd like to, you could take a screenshot of it. There's also an option for you to save it over here. But once you've generated this word cloud, you are going to answer a few questions here in the discussion board. So first of all, what words are the biggest in your word cloud? I'd like you to list 5 significant words. Next, you're going to answer, did these words surprise you? And it's not listed here, but I'd like you to explain why. So don't just say, yes, these words surprised me, or no, they didn't. Talk me through why they did or did not surprise you. And then finally, what do these words reveal about the focus of your writing? And so the purpose of doing this, the purpose for creating this word cloud is to draw your attention to, and themes in your writing, things that you may have been focusing on but didn't quite realize it. It'll also show you, potentially issues that you might have in your writing. So if you aren't noticing any like clear themes here, that could be potentially, not necessarily, but could potentially be an indicator that you want to take another look at your draft of Writing Project 2. So you're not required to share your word cloud in your post, but if you'd like to, I'd be curious to see what yours ended up looking like. And that is due Thursday by 11:59. And that's it for this week. There's nothing else that you are being required to do. I look forward to talking to you during our conference times. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns.